Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ruchi Kumari and today I'm gonna do again a very interesting video. Like, you know, it's a comparison video. Let's get it, okay? But it's really interesting because most of you all really like comparisons. When you want to buy something, you want the best, or you want, what's best suitable for you. It might not be the best, but maybe the best suitable. Like you want something very affordable, or maybe you want something very lightweight, or you might want something like which is full of pigmentation. So I have all those kind of recommendations and basic thingies. So yeah, I'm again back with a comparison video, and today I'm gonna be comparing three loose powders that I have. One is the Fit Me, then there's a Blue Heaven, and then we have the K by Katrina loose powder. I have these three, okay, and I have prepped my skin, I have done my brows, and I have not applied anything else except the Indulgio oil, and that's it. That's all that I have on my face. So I'm going to see and I'm gonna show you all how these three powders perform. Out of the three, I have used Fit Me the most. It's been with me till like from past 1.5 years. You can see it's almost half is over, more than half is over. Then I have second used one is the Blue Heaven Sapphire powder, and my recent purchase is this K by Katrina loose powder in the shade Pecan, which is way darker than my skin tone, but I have come up with the best best solution. If a loose powder is dark, I mean, what you can try with it. So let's start. But before we start, I want you to take some time, subscribe to my channel. Let's go for 1,000 subscribers because we have reached 500. Yay! Okay, 1,000 subscribers it is. And watch this video till the very end and give it a huge thumbs up if you like it. So today usually you might have seen me, I use a darker shade of foundation to correct my skin. Like I have a lot of pigmentation, acne scars going on. So I will use this powder as my, as my corrector. I've taken a damp sponge, dabbed in, and let's see. I'm hoping it's fine. Oh, it's super pigmented. Let's go around. In one of my looks, I use this as a contouring or bronzing powder as well, and the results were really good. So I mean, not only it acts as a loose powder, but if you want, you can make it work like anything. Also, this trick of using loose powder before you apply your foundation is very good for a long wear foundation or long wear base, okay, because you're first only setting your powder and then you'll be going in with your base. Especially good because it's summertime, like summertime is around the corner and you have many events, like the wedding season is coming, then you might have your farewell parties or anything. I mean, farewell parties, yeah, if you have, then you can try wearing makeup like this. I love the packaging. I seriously love the packaging. I'm holding it like this and no product is falling, okay. There is a very nice sieve, okay, and you get really little product out of it. It's super finely milled, super finely milled, and this costs around 7.99 rupees. So it is really amazing for the price that you're paying, okay. After setting most of my face, don't worry, I will be contouring my face with the same powder, so we will see again in effect how it works against all the other powders. For today's look, I'm going to use the L'Oreal Infallible 24-hour matte cover foundation. This is again a recent purchase, and it is truly matte and it is truly full coverage, and I absolutely love this foundation. It's in the shade Caramel Beige 108, which happens to be my shade. The foundation sits beautifully on the powder. You can see there is no crumbling, no moving around. I think it's amazing. But again, this kind of makeup is for super oily skin or oily skin type, I mean, or if you're living in a super humid state like Goa or Mumbai. I don't know about Mumbai, but I know about Goa. It's very humid. I just took one squirt of the product and almost my whole face is covered, although this side could use a little more, as well as a little bit on my forehead. So I'm gonna do that. I'm just gonna take a little more. I absolutely love L'Oreal foundations for some reason. I have so many of them. I do not know. I just keep going towards L'Oreal only. If you want me to make a video on my foundation collection, which is like all drugstore foundations, okay, you can let me know. Okay, they are not at all costly and they're all drugstore and very good. I can do a comparison video on how they work. Okay, so at this point my skin is like super duper matte and I think I really like that. When your skin is super duper matte, any powder will glide on your product, any powder product will glide on your face. So then I'm gonna use two powders. The problem with the K by Katrina powder that I bought is that the shade is tad bit darker for me, so I cannot really use that shade to set my face because my whole base will look dark, so I didn't want that. That's why I used it as a correcting, and then I will use it as a contouring shade as well, which it performs really well, by the way. Do not get scared. So now I have Fit Me in the shade 25 medium. This is again a brightening, and this is the makeup translucent powder from Blue Heaven Sapphire. It's not at all translucent, by the way. So yeah, these two I have, and I'm gonna bake my face with this. Okay, this again has, I guess, 6 shades present, and this has only 1 or 2 shades, which is like a bummer, because it is a fairly decent product, trust me, for 125 rupees. I have used the Lakme one as well, not the natural range, but the old school one, the rose powder. It's not at all good. I mean, I'm not saying it's not at all good, but it is very pinky, and I am not, I do not have pink undertone, so that's why I do not like this. Whereas this has this yellow tone, which is really good for under eye brightening. You can see. One bad thing, oh my god, it has a lot of fragrance. But then this retails for 695 rupees, this retails for 799 rupees, and this retails for 125 rupees. So like I told you, if you're looking for something affordable, like I told you, if you're looking for something affordable, you can definitely go for the Blue Heaven one. It's really good for the price that you pay. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a fluffy brush, okay, just gently gonna collect a lot of product, applying. Now I'm not applying any concealer, as you can see, because I'm gonna be baking. I think baking like product nahi aaya itna. Oh, I'm so scared. This is what I'm scared of, the packaging. The packaging of K by Katrina is really good. Yes, so you see this much has come out. Now you can bake. Okay, keep this, and then I'm just gonna do the reverse contouring thingy as well. And I love doing this, it gives a very nice finish. I have used the rest of the product here. You just take from here till here, and with the rest of the thing I'm just gonna set my foundation a little. So this is clean. One thing about the Blue Heaven powder, it's not that finely milled. Like whatever you're paying for, you're getting it. Now we have the Maybelline powder. It has a little less yellowish tone, okay, but trust me, it's really good for baking. And again, the packaging issue. A lot of product came in, but let's see. So this is the Maybelline side, this is the Blue Heaven side. Blue Heaven is a lot more brighter, but Maybelline one is a lot more finer. The milling process has been done really nicely. I'll tell you one thing with the Maybelline product, that Maybelline powder, my skin looks airbrushed. It looks super flawless. Okay, when I remove, I'll show you all. So meanwhile, we will bronze up our face, and for bronzing, it's okay. For bronzing, we are going to take the K by Katrina. I'm taking a little, you can see the dusting process. Then I'm going to take a lot of product. Okay. Then how I bronze up is I'll just go here, highest point, and I'll just warm it up. Tuck, 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 tuck. So it has given me a really soft contour, which you can see, okay, and I think I really like it. On the days I do not want a lot of contour, I will go for, see, it's really warmed up my bronzer. Now I'm feeling a little bit dry, so I'm just gonna remove my bake. So this is the Blue Heaven side. You can see how well it has baked my skin. And look at the Maybelline side. Both have brightened up pretty well, but trust me, Maybelline one looks flawless to me, and we have used a really less product in comparison to Blue Heaven. So you can see this is the Maybelline side and this is the Blue Heaven side. And now you can see the contour clearly when I remove the bake. So yeah, that's it. And this base is gonna last for a very long time, and it's gonna last like magic. You wait, because no amount of sweat can affect this, okay, and you do not have to touch up really, but this will be like you just need a setting spray and that's it. So my recommendation out of the 3 is like, I'm not choosing one, but if I had to, trust me, I don't know, Maybelline wins my heart, because it has a lot of coverage and you get a lot of shades as well. Not a lot, but yeah, you get really nice shade. And yeah, then my recommendation would be K by Katrina, because it's really super finely milled and it dissolves in your skin. Like, you don't even come to know, you can keep using this. I think that's what happened today when I was doing my contouring. I kept on using, I did not realize. And if you really want good coverage, plus you want it to be super affordable, go for the Blue Heaven one. I'm telling you, you would not regret this, because I literally use this a lot these days, because it's super affordable. I'm like, even if I have to go for a second purchase, it's not a big deal, because it's just 105 or 125 rupees, and on sale you might even get it for 95 or 90 rupees. So definitely go for this. Although these two do not have any fragrance, this one does, and this one also comes in only 2 shades, but still, if you come in the shade range, okay, close by, please go for this, or else you have these two as well. Okay, and neither of the three are like super drying, okay, they don't feel very tacky on your skin, so yeah, you can go for any one of them. So I hope I have made your job easier. Now if you like this video, give it a huge thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon, and yeah, that's about it. And yeah, that's about it. Stay tuned and see you in next video. Bye bye.